morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all keeping fine. I am Sukulam Ram. This video clip is part 2 of Computer Standard 5. My dear students, kindly open your book, page number 28. Dear students, today we shall continue our learning from chapter 3. That is some more features of Windows 7. First of all, I shall read out the chapter and you follow me. Some more features of Windows 7. There are several improvements in the features of Windows 7 as compared to the earlier versions. Let us learn about some of these features. Improved taskbar. The improved taskbar of Windows 7 provides quick access to the frequently used programs. It is an easy facility for navigation. Pinning. You can pin the frequently used programs to the taskbar so that they can be accessed quickly without searching for them in the start menu. Jump list. Jump lists are the list of files and folders that have recently been opened. This list can be seen in the start menu or on the taskbar for the programs which have been pinned. You can preview the thumbnails of open files or programs by pointing to their icons on the taskbar. Arrow interface. The arrow interface is quite useful as it provides an easy way of working with the Windows. Arrow pick. The new arrow pick feature allows you to make the open windows transparent so that the desktop screen becomes visible. In this way, the desktop can be quickly viewed without minimizing the open windows. A quick view of all the open windows can be seen on the taskbar in thumbnail preview. Page number 29. Aerosnap. You can use the Aerosnap feature to place two windows side by side for making comparison or multitasking. Drag one of the windows to the left side of the screen and the other to the right side. In this way, you can see both the windows on the screen. Libraries. You can use the libraries feature for the files that are placed in multiple locations on the computer. These files can be managed conveniently with the help of this feature of Windows 7. You can create a collection of all the related files at one place. The physical location of the file will not undergo any change. The four default libraries are documents, music, pictures and videos. Improved and faster search. You can use the new search feature for quick searching of files and folders. Simply type the search word either at the top of an open window or in the search box of the start menu. This search begins immediately when you start typing. You can also click on the See More result. Working with multiple windows. You can open multiple windows according to your requirements. The taskbar helps in working with multiple windows consecutively. You can arrange the windows in three different ways. These are Cascade Windows to show windows stacked, 3 show windows side by side. Page number 30. Cascade Windows. When you use Cascade Windows, the windows get arranged in a single stack. All the windows are fanned out so that only the Windows titles appear. Suppose you have already opened more than one window. Right-click an empty area on the taskbar. To open its context menu, click the option Cascade Windows. Show windows stacked. The windows are placed in one or more vertical stacks. To show windows stacked, follow the same procedure. After right-clicking an empty area on the taskbar, click the option Show Windows Stacked. Show windows side by side. Each window is open but not maximized on the desktop, so the windows can be seen at once. To show windows side by side, follow the same procedure. Just select the option Show windows side by side. Page number 31. Disk Cleanup. You can use Disk Cleanup feature to remove some unwanted files from your hard disk in order to free up disk space and help your computer run faster. It will delete the temporary internal and downloaded program files, empty the recycle bin files and other items that are not being used for a long time. Using Disk Cleanup. Step 1. Click on Start All Programs, Accessories, System Tools, Disk Cleanup. Step 2. Click on Start button and type Clean MGR in the search box and then press Enter. Step 3. The Disk Cleanup Drive Selection dialog box will open, asking you to select the drive. Step 4. Now click the drop down arrow and select the drive that you want to clean up. Step 5. Click OK. This function will search and display the unnecessary files, and this can be safely deleted. Page number 32. Step 6. Select the files that you want to remove. Step 7. Click OK. My dear students, let us know more about some features of Windows 7. Dear students, nowadays several improvements in the features of Windows 7 as compared to the earlier computer version, and these features are improved taskbar, pinning, jump list, arrow interface, arrow pick, libraries, and improve and faster search. So let us know improved taskbar, how it is improved in taskbar. Improved taskbar of Windows 7 provides quick access to the frequently used programs and It is an easy facility for navigation. Then pinning. My dear students, the frequently used program to the taskbar so that we can be accessed quickly without searching for it, and from the start menu. Then jump list. Jump lists are the list of files and folders and that have recently been opened. This list can be seen in the start menu or on the taskbar for the program, and we can preview the thumbnails of open files or programs by pointing to their icons on the taskbar. Then arrow interface. The arrow interface is quite useful as it provides an easy way of working with the Windows. This arrow interface provides easy using or working way of Windows. Then arrow pick. Arrow pick features allow us to make the open windows transparent and desktop screen becomes visible, and in this way the desktop can be quickly viewed without minimizing the other open window. Then Aerosnap. Aerosnap features helps to place two windows side by side for making comparison or multitasking. Then libraries. The libraries can help us for the files that are placed in multiple locations on the computer, and these files can be managed easily with the help of this feature of Windows 7. And there are four default libraries are documents, music, pictures and videos. Then improved and faster search. In Windows 7 is also improved in to search a file or folder quickly and very fast. Then working with multi-windows. We can open multiple windows according to our requirements. The taskbar helps in working with multiple windows consecutively, and these windows are Cascade Windows, show windows stacked, and show windows side by side. Cascade Windows. When we use Cascade Windows, the windows get arranged in a single stack, and all the windows are fanned out so that the Windows title appears. Then show windows stacked. The windows are placed in one or more vertical stacks to show windows stacked. Then show windows side by side. Each windows are open but not maximized on the desktop, so the windows can be seen at once. To show windows side by side. Then disk cleanup. We can use disk cleanup feature to remove some unwanted, unnecessary files from the computer of hard disk in order to free up disk space and helps it to run the computer faster, and it will delete the temporary internal and downloaded program files, and if all this file will be deleted or make the recycle bin files empty, then all those files will be not used for long time. Then how to using disk cleanup. To use disk cleanup, we should follow 7 steps. Step 1 is click on start button, then all programs, then accessories, then system tools, then disk cleanup. Then step 2, click on start button and type clean mgr in the search box, and then press enter. Then step 3, disk cleanup drive selection dialog box will open and asking us to select the drive. Then step 4, click the drop down arrow and select the drive that you want to clean up. Then step 5 is click OK. Then step 6, select the file or files that you want to remove or you do not want that files to store. Then step 7 is click OK.